Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. It's been a while since I did a tutorial, so um, we've all been feeling the turbulent times, so I hope you're doing good and I hope you're taking care of yourself. So with today's yoga tutorial, it's a little thing that you can bring into your daily life if you don't have time for a lot of yoga at the time. So I'm just gonna share with you some of the things that I've been doing and I've been using in my life whenever I feel a little bit low, whenever I feel a little bit unstable. So I'd like you to join me. So we're gonna start standing. You can just find your way onto your feet, into your mountain posture. We call this Tadasana. So the feet are underneath the hips and the chest is nice and open. The belly is slightly engaged just so that you can support the lower back. And then just let the hands face forward. Close the eyes. Feel your breath. And then as you take your next deep breath in, you can take the arms out to the side, up, reach up, lift the head. And then as we exhale, we are going to fold forward. So this is my first little go-to whenever I feel tight. So you can bend the knees. You can just relax forward. So if the legs or the hands only come to the legs, that's fine. You can always bend the knees a little bit just so that there's not too much pressure in the lower back. And then you can allow the body to kind of move here onto the feet, onto the toes, onto the feet, onto the toes. So allow the body to relax, move the neck. As you exhale, relax fully. This is our forward fold, Uttanasana. Give some time to the body to relax. So allow softness. Keep grounding into the feet. Exhale fully. And then we are going to stand up. So bend the knees, let the hips go down. Take the arms nice and wide. As you stand up, lift them over the head, look up. And then again, exhale down. All the way. Find the floor and relax. And then turning so that you're facing the front of the mat, small, short edge. And then you can just walk the hands forward. Make sure you ground the hands, so bend the knees. And then we step back into our downward facing dog. So step the feet back and you're in this inverted V shape. Keep pressing into the hands. So have a look at them. And really push into the arms, into the hands, fingers. And then you can just lift and lower the heels a couple of times. This is my second go-to posture. Activates the whole body, finds length in the spine, stretches the back of the legs. It also builds a little bit of strength that we need to get through the tough times. Make sure the neck is relaxed. You're not hanging too low in between. Make sure that there's stability in the shoulders, space in the belly. Take a deep breath in. And then as you exhale, relax. So take the feet slightly or the heels slightly further back. Doesn't need to touch, just towards the floor. And then keep that spine. Lift the heels, bend the knees, and then bring the knees down. My third posture that I want to share with you is Balasana, which is the child's pose. So you can take the knees a little bit wider. Have the feet together. Make sure they don't overlap. So the big toes just touch. And then just place the body down. So you're welcome to be on the forearms, elbows. You can stack the fists. You can also place the head down on the hands. And if this is comfortable and you easily come to the floor with your head, you can take the hands slightly forward and rest the forehead onto the floor. And we're going to stay here for a couple of breaths. So really allow the body to soften, enjoying that really nice stretch on the shoulders. Take another deep breath in and exhale. And then just lift the head so that you can bring the hands underneath the shoulders onto the floor. And we come onto all fours. From here, hands underneath the shoulders. Keep the feet down, drop the belly, look forward, and then round the spine. Let's just do one more round of cat-cow. So just to bring a little movement into the spine, tailbone up, look forward, and exhale, tuck tailbone, chin, and round. And then from here, find a neutral spine. So have a look at the hands. Make sure the fingers are nice and spread. Don't overstretch the thumb, just so that you feel stable in the whole hand. Good. Pull the belly in. Step the right foot back. Make sure that hip doesn't lift. Keep the belly engaged and then step the left. Plank, Palakasana. Let's take 5 breaths. You're welcome to move a little bit backwards and forwards, hand to hand. And 4 more breaths here. So the reason why I love this posture is it challenges you a little bit. And sometimes that's all we need, a little bit of a challenge. 2 more breaths here. 1 more deep breath in. Final little bit of effort, and then exhale the knees down, lay flat, release. Stack your hands. So the elbows are forward, your hands can stack, so that you can easily rest head to the hand. And then we're going to do our final little posture movement here. Take the feet up, so bend the knees, feet go up. Windscreen wiper. You can always take the knees a little bit further apart. And let's start with just rolling the ankles, pointing and flexing. And then once you find ease there in the joint, the ankles, you can relax your feet. Keep the head down. And then slowly take the legs over to the feet over to the one side, center, and then the other side. And then finding a very gentle rhythm as you soften the lower back. Feel the hips roll side to side. Keep breathing. And keep moving. Stay with it. And then finding center, feet up, feet down. Bring the sole, bring the feet slightly closer together. Tuck your toes, hands onto the floor next to or underneath the shoulders. And then we are going to push up, stay on the knees, and then just push back for a moment. Take a breath. And then exhale all 4s, and you can just find your way into a sitting posture. Good. Close the eyes. Allow the hands to rest onto the legs. And then as you exhale, you can gently drop your chin down. And then start to roll the chin over to the right shoulder, lifting up, over to the left, and then down. Make very gentle circles here. Be very mindful of the neck, any sensation. We hold a lot of tension there, especially in the shoulders. You can also draw the chin slightly in as you take it down. So really find some length in the back of the neck. Pause when you come to the chin, chest, and then take it to the left, up, right side down. And continue. Keep softening the eyes. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And then right side down. And then just pause, chin to chest. And you can lift. Good. Close the eyes if you've just opened them again to peek. Soften the eyes, allow the forehead to be really soft. Allow the cheeks to relax and the tongue. Feel your breath, so breathing in, expanding the body, and then as you exhale, relax, relax, let go of any tension. Another 2 breaths here. Relax your shoulders, the arms. One more deep breath in. And let go. And then keep the eyes closed, bring the hands together. And then you can gently rub the palms together. So creating a little bit of heat there, especially now with the cool weather here. And then place the hands over the eyes. Feel the warmth. Open the eyes, soften them, and then slowly bring the hands down. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Take it lightly, enjoy, play with the postures, and see how as you bring in a little bit more yoga postures and techniques into your life, just notice if there's any difference in the way that you're feeling, in the way you're able to deal with stress or tension. And so as always, I'm so grateful that I can share my practice with you. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. Namaste.